I'm Kristin with the Rogers Public Library, and this week for Catch 'em All at the Library, we will be focusing on Wormadam. So in your craft packet, you will have a piece of paper with lots of pieces for us to color and cut out, along with a big black pom-pom and 2 pieces of black pipe cleaners. So the first thing you need to do is just color and cut out all of these pieces. Now, most of them are going to be a light green color, but the center of the flowers, along with the 2 largest leaf shapes, this little rounded triangle shape, those are all going to be a dark green. Now, the petals of the flower are white and the eyes are white. And then choose 2 smaller leaf shapes to also be dark green. And then everything else will be light green. So once you have those colored in and cut out, I will show you how to put it all together to make a little hanging Wormadam. So once everything is colored and cut out, we're going to take our little cone piece and flip it over and go ahead and color about half of it light green, going from the rounded edge down towards the smaller pointed edge. Let's go about halfway down, or maybe a little more. And then we're going to turn it back up so that we have our little tab here facing us, and then we're going to put glue all along that little tab, and then we're going to wrap it around so that the tab overlaps with the rest of the cone. Now, if you're having trouble getting it to lay flat, you can stick something on the inside so that you can push it up and hold that ledge in place so we can push down on it. So then, once that is set, I'm going to let it set to the side for a little bit so that it can just get nice and dry. And I'm going to go ahead and take my pipe cleaners, and for the first one, I'm going to grab one end and just turn it in towards the rest of the pipe cleaner, and then we're just going to roll it up flat. So we're just taking that circle that we've made and rolling it in all the way along the pipe cleaner so that it stays in a flat little circle or oval. When we get to the end, we'll just tuck it underneath and then pinch one side to a point. This, in a little bit, is going to be our Wormadam's nose. So it's just a flat little teardrop shape. Set that aside, grab our other one. We'll start out the same way, rolling it up. But then after about 3 times of rolling it, we're just going to pinch it and then take the rest of the pipe cleaner and bend it up at a 90-degree angle. So our little circular part will be flat so it can stand up, and then the rest will just stick up into the air. Then we'll fold that top bit over, and we're going to wrap it around itself in the center so that we have a little bitty loop at the top. Now we can set both of those aside. Now most of this can be done with our glue stick, but we will need either tacky glue or hot glue for part of it. Any of the parts involving the pom-pom. Now you can do the whole project with tacky glue. I am going to use hot glue so that I don't have to wait for it to dry to be able to show you how it should look. But if you use tacky glue, it will work. You'll just have to let it dry for a longer period of time. But since I am using the hot glue, I'm going to go ahead and put the eyes on. So I'm just going to put 2 little, very small lines of glue. And then if you are using hot glue, please be extremely careful when putting these pieces on, because we do not want you to burn yourself. So I recommend, since they're so small, using something else like a pencil, or in this case scissors, to actually put them on. So I'm just getting a little tiny bit on that glue and then using something else to press it down so I don't get the hot glue on my fingers and burn myself. So add those eyes very carefully. If you're using hot glue, use something other than your fingers, please. All right, then we'll go ahead and let that set for a minute and we'll come back to our cone. And now we are going to cut some long strips all the way around, going from this rounded edge of the cone all the way around. And then this is why we wanted to color the other side as well, because now we are going to fold all of these little cut pieces down so that it glues against the outside of the cone and it makes kind of a little loop. And makes it a little more 3D where it sticks out. So just go all the way around, putting a little bit of glue on the edge and folding your little slit over. So just a little bit of glue, fold it over, press it down, make sure it makes a nice little loop here. And we'll just do that all the way around. So once that is done all the way around and they're all staying down, then we are going to start attaching the leaves. So we'll start with our light green leaves. I like to start with the biggest ones, but you can really do this in any order. We're just going to put glue on one side of our leaf and then stick it on a spot on our cone. Now, I've put a little bit of the tip of the leaf on the inside and then folded it over so it kind of sticks out a little bit on the side. And then I'm going to do the same thing with my bigger leaf on the other side. And then the rest of the leaves we just want to glue on somewhere around those 2 that we just put on. And we just kind of want them to all be congregated on these 2 sides. And you can put them on all over the place. They can just go straight down underneath. They can go overlapping. They can stick up. However you want to do them really is up to you. But just put a little bit of glue on each side, and then you can just stick them all around on the two sides. Once we have those leaves all stuck on our two sides here, then we can go down to these little strips of leaves, strips of triangles, but they're supposed to be leaves. We're just going to put some glue on the back of the little strip part of it, and then wrap it around the very bottom of the cone to make some little spikes at the bottom. Just do that for both strips. And that just gives us a little bit of layers of spikes at the bottom. All right, now for our 3 flowers, I just put a little bit of glue right in the middle of the back, kind of on the other side of where the center is, and we're going to stick one right in the middle in between our 2 sides of the leaves, and the other 2 will each go on one side with the leaves. So I'm going to stick one here and one over here. All right, now going to put the head in. Now, it's probably going to be a little too small, and we want him to sit up, her to sit up a little more. So take all of your remaining trash from cutting out all of the pieces on the page and just wad it up into a ball, and then we're going to stick it inside our cone, and that will make a nice little seat for our Wormadam to sit. So once that's in, then we're going to put some glue on the bottom of our pom-pom. Again, you can use tacky glue for this. You'll just have to make sure it dries pretty well. And then put some glue around a little bit up higher than that so that it can attach a little bit to the actual cone as well. So we want his face, her face, to be sticking out about halfway. So the eyes are just a little bit above that space. And now you can see inside how it's sitting, and that's okay if there's some gaps there. Mostly we just want in the front to be able to see the face. All right, now I'm gonna set that aside for a moment and take our nose piece along with the kind of rounded dark green triangle, and we're going to glue that dark green triangle right on top of the nose piece. So it'll be right at the end and kind of covering that bit of the nose. And then to attach that, we'll just add a little glue right under the eyes in the center and at the top of the center flower. And then we'll just stick it on there, hold it in place for a moment so that it's going to stick out from the face right over that center flower, like this. Now we're going to take our 2 longer leaves and put just a tad bit of glue on the end, one pointed edge, and stick it on the side of the head. We'll do that for each one. Leave some space at the top of the head open, because we still need to put some other things there. So you don't want them to be touching in the center at the top. We want a little bit of space in between each side. So still leave some space here at the top. Then we're going to take our 2 smaller green leaves and we're going to fold them in half so that each side has the point sticking up, and then we'll put just a little bit of glue right along that, just on that edge, that folded edge that we just made. And we're going to stick that right at the top of the head, kind of overlapping the leaves that we just put on and the space in between. And then we should still have a little bit of space right in the middle, and that is where the flat circle part of our other black pipe cleaner will go. So we'll put a little glue on the bottom and then just stick it right in there, right in between the earpieces. Now, if you are using hot glue, as soon as it all dries, which shouldn't take very long, then your Wormadam will be ready to play with. If you're using tacky glue, I would recommend waiting about a day to make sure that it's nice and dry and secure before you play with it, but then it should be okay. And then you can do whatever you want with it. But if you want to hang it up, then you can just use the pipe cleaner we put at the top to wrap around whatever you want to hang it on, and it will hang. And that is our craft for this week. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you next week to make another Pokemon. Bye.